What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. I got another quick video for you guys today. So we did get a little error message on the dash of the M4, which means it is time to replace the key fob battery. Now this process I know is a little bit redundant, but if I was going to go ahead and do it, I thought I might as well go ahead and film it for you guys. So we'll go ahead and jump over to the workbench and get started.
Perfect.
Let's get some light in here. Much better. Now let's clean the surface up a little bit. All right, let's get up close and personal and get this taken care of. Okay, so the battery we're going to be replacing this with is a Energizer 2450. Now this does match the OEM spec battery that goes in this. I will have, of course, a link below where you can purchase this. Mine came in a 2-pack, so if you have 2 key fobs, then this will actually fit both of them. But the first thing we need to do is get this lovely Keys Motorsports key fob cover off here. I've already taken it mostly apart. Okay, once your key fob here is out of the case, you're going to look to the back. You're going to see this little square right here. That's what releases your accessory key. Take your accessory key and you're going to see 2 little tabs. There's one right here and there's one right there. What we're going to do is we're going to use the key and just use it to apply some force towards us. And you're going to pop off this back plate. That is going to reveal your battery. Easiest way to get this battery out I've found is to push down on one side and then just use your actual back cover. You just need to get under it for just a second just to pop it out. Once it's loose, it falls out pretty easily. Go ahead and put that away, and we're going to get our new battery. And you can see our old battery and our new battery. Here is our old battery, which is a CR2450, same as our new battery, CR2450. So go ahead and get the new battery put in the key fob. Very simply put it in the same way with the name information facing up. And basically just do everything backwards. Snap everything back in place. Put your key back in, and you're good to go. And it's pretty much as easy as that. If you guys need those batteries for the key fobs, they will be linked down in the description. But if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Dallas. I go under Unworthy Motors. I'm in the process of building this amazing Yas Marina Blue M4 that is a 6-speed. If you enjoy this kind of content, the goal for this car is about 700 wheel horsepower. I do upload everything to this channel that I do to this car. So if that's something you enjoy, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You have no idea how much it helps. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.